Welcome to my channel Costly, Priceless, Startups Ideas. Today my video title is, Extravagant Eid. Fireworks. Costly, priceless, delights await. Elevate your Eid. Costly, priceless, fireworks. Experiences. Elevate your Eid. Costly fireworks experiences. Locally you can celebrate this event like this. 1. Luxury hotel rooftop with a view of the fireworks. 2. Private yacht or boat ride. 4. A unique perspective. 3. Exclusive helicopter tour for a bird's eye view of the fireworks. 4. High-end restaurant with a fireworks view. 5. Private beachside fireworks display with a luxury setup. 6. VIP access to a private fireworks show. 7. Exclusive access to a rooftop bar with a view of the fireworks. 8. Private hot air balloon ride for a one-of-a-kind experience. 9. A luxury cruise ship with a fireworks display on board. 10. Private jet tour for a panoramic view of the fireworks. Internationally you can celebrate this event like this. 1. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai, UAE. 2. The Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. 3. The Sydney Opera House in Sydney, Australia. 4. The Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. 5. The London Eye in London, UK. 6. The Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, Turkey. 7. The Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. 8. The Tokyo Tower in Tokyo, Japan. 9. The Empire State Building in New York City, USA. 10. The Victoria Harbour in Hong Kong, China. If you're looking for nationally and international destinations to catch the Eid Al Fitr fireworks, there are many iconic landmarks and destinations to choose from. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, the Sydney Opera House in Australia, the Eiffel Tower in France, and the London Eye in the UK are just a few examples. These locations offer a stunning backdrop to the colourful explosions in the sky, creating a magical and memorable experience. Other options include the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, the Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur, the Tokyo Tower in Japan, the Empire State Building in New York City, and the Victoria Harbour in Hong Kong. Whether you choose to view the fireworks from a luxury hotel or a public viewing area, these international destinations provide a unique and exciting way to celebrate Eid Al Fitr. In conclusion of my video, if you're looking for a luxury experience to catch the Eid Al Fitr fireworks, there are various high-end options available. From luxury hotel rooftops and private yacht rides to exclusive helicopter tours and private beachside displays, the opportunities to make your Eid Al Fitr experience special are endless. If you're looking for international destinations, landmarks such as the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, and the Sydney Opera House in Australia offer stunning backdrops to the colourful fireworks displays. Other options such as the Eiffel Tower in France, the London Eye in the UK, and the Victoria Harbour in Hong Kong provide equally mesmerizing experiences. No matter your choice, these international destinations offer a unique and unforgettable way to celebrate Eid Al Fitr in luxury and style. In comments section you must tell me you like this costly, priceless idea. So likes my video and subscribe my channel.